हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल लर्निंग रॉक्स पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 की इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक का यूनिट 5 लेसन नंबर 5। लेसन का नाम है द सुमित विद इन। यदि आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली सारी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। और इस वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। यूनिट 5 लेसन द सुमित विद इन। comprehension A. Look at the brochure given below and answer the questions that follow। तो ये हमें एक हिमालयस एक्सप्लोर द हिमालयस, तो हमने इसको सारा रीड कर लेना है। ये हमें एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है, आपने ये रीड कर लेना है। इसी से रिलेटेड हमारे क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं जो हमने सॉल्व करने हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what does HRR stand for? Where is it situated? Answer, HRR Himalaya River Runners, a pine forest. Second question, name 4 sports that one can enjoy in the base camp. First, trout fishing, river rafting, rock climbing, mountain biking. Third question, what is the normal temperature here during day and night time? Answer, day 24-29 degrees Celsius, night 12-18 degrees Celsius. Fourth question, the buffet meals include Indian and continental dishes. Fifth question, the Tone Get Away package is for 3 days. Sixth question, the Tone Alpine Experience package is for 5 days. Seventh question, use the following words in the sentences of your own. Enjoy, वो enjoying, playing football, mixture, this juice is a mixture of fruits. Working with language vocabulary A. We add the suffix er to form nouns. Example, climber, Everester. You can make new words by adding ist, ship, hood to form nouns. For example, ist, artist, typist, ship, friendship, hardship, hood, childhood, brotherhood. Add ist, ship and hood to the following to make new words. Novel, novelist, cartoon, cartoonist, social, socialist, terror, terrorist. Flag, flagship, relation, relationship, sportsman, sportsmanship, honor, ownership, mother, motherhood, false, falsehood, boy, boyhood, priest, priesthood. B. Find out the words that have been spelled incorrectly in the following extract and write the correct spelling in the space provided। तो ये हमें एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है और ये इनकरेक्ट इसके अंदर हमें वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, तो हमने उन्हें करेक्ट करके एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है। तो यहाँ मैंने लिखा है, आई वेंचर टू थिंक डैट माई एक्सपीरियंस as an Everester has provided me with the inspiration to face life's ordeals resolutely. Climbing the mountain was a worthwhile experience. The conquest of the internal conquest. Sumit is equally worthwhile. Grammar. Take the correct form of the verb shown in brackets in each sentence has been done for you. First, he went to Delhi yesterday. Second, the train left an hour ago. Third, they had left before he came. Fourth, he visited us last month. Fifth, we went to see the cinema last night. Sixth, James Watt invented the steam engine. Seventh, the rain had stopped when she arrived. Eighth, she was born in 1980. Ninth, the experience of climbing the mountain is a good feeling. 10. His father will come back next week. Pronouns. Example. Each man carries within himself his own mountain peak. He must climb it to reach to a fuller knowledge of himself. तो he और it हमारे pronouns हैं. The words is bold in this sentence are pronoun. तो he और it हमारे pronouns हैं. Use the appropriate pronouns to fill in the blanks. तो हमें ये एक पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है. A businessman walked into a bank in Chennai and called on the loan officer. He told them he was going to Trivandrum on business for 2 weeks and needed a loan of rupees 10,000. The officer asked him what security he could offer. The businessman handed over the keys of his launcher parked in the street in front of the bank. The bank agreed to accept the car as collateral for the loan. An employee drove the Lancer to the bank's garage in the basement and parked it there. 2 weeks later, the businessman returned, repaid rupees 10,000 with interest, which came to rupees 100. The officer said, "We are very happy to have an opportunity to serve you as this transaction has worked out very nicely, but we are a little puzzled. While you were away, we found that you are a multimillionaire. What puzzles us, is why did you have to borrow rupees 10,000? The businessman replied, "Where else in Chennai can I park my car for 2 weeks for rupees 100? Dictionary practice abbreviation. In the paras, Mount Everest, Mount stand for mountain. MT stand for mountain. ये शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं हम माउंटेन को M और T. Is an abbreviation of mountain. Look up a dictionary for the following abbreviations and write them full form. तो हमें इनको full form में लिखना है. First, Mr. stand for Mr. Second, no, numbers को हम NO लिखते हैं, stand for number. DR, doctor. MIN, minute. CO, company. SR, senior. GOVT, government. MAX, maximum. LTD, limited. GR, junior. Speaking and writing composition. A couple, the head boy of modern school, made a copy of the program of celebration in his school. Unfortunately, he was not been able to record it in its proper order. You will have a brief description of the program, arrange the events in the proper sequence by mentioning the number 1 2 3 etc. in the box given against each event. तो यहाँ हमें ये हमें रीअरेंज करना है। जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया है, फर्स्ट अराइवल ऑफ द चीफ गेस्ट, फर्स्ट, सेकंड अनफर्लिंग ऑफ नेशनल फ्लैग, थर्ड नेशनल एंथम, फोर्थ परेड, फिफ्थ पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग्स एंड डांसेस, सिक्स स्पेशल योगा शो, सेवन चीफ गेस्ट स्पीच, एट वोट फॉर थैंक्स, 9 distribution of sweets, 10 dispersal of students. B. Gauri is a very careful child. She keeps everything in its proper place. The passage describe her room. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. From the box you can use a preposition more than once. तो यहाँ हमें preposition दे रखी है और एक पैराग्राफ है, तो हमें ये इसको फिल करना है। गौरी रूम इज़ वेरी टाइडी, everything in her room is in its proper place. Her bag is on the table. There is a small side table beside her bed. A table lamp is laying on the table. Gauri keeps her shoes in the shoe rack. She throws bits of papers into the dustbin. She has a clock on the wall. ये हमें एक पिक्चर दी हुई है। नेम द थिंग्स इन द रूम, तो ये एक हमें पिक्चर दी हुई है रूम की। इसमें से हमने देख के यहाँ पर लिखना है कि इस पिक्चर में कौन कौन सी थिंग्स हैं। जैसे यहाँ बेड है, वॉच है, चेयर है, टेबल है, पिल्लो है, फुटबॉल है। तो ये यहाँ लिखना है हमें। नेम द थिंग्स इन द रूम, ए वॉच, बी चेयर, सी टेबल, डी फुटबॉल, ई बैट, एफ पिलो। तो बच्चों ये था यूनिट 5। तो बच्चों ये था लेसन 5 के हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर जो हमने इस वीडियो में सॉल्व किए थे। अब हम अपनी अगली वीडियो में लेसन 6 दिस इज़ अ लेडी फाउंड के क्वेश्चन आंसर वर्कबुक में सॉल्व करेंगे। तो बच्चों यदि आपको ये वीडियो यूज़फुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।